Hey guys, it's Jaclyn here again with another quick hair tutorial using a curling iron to style my hair. All of the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description box down below. And if you like what you see, keep on watching. First, make sure your hair is fully blow dried the night before. Then I like to put a dry texturizing spray into the roots of my hair to give instant body and fullness. This will also help hold the curls later on. Then I clip up my hair into 4 sections. Start by clamping the first piece at the bottom and curling it up and away from the face. You only have to hold the curling iron into place for just a few seconds or so. When you release the piece, let the hair hold the curl until the very end when we brush it out. Now you can move on to the next piece and repeat the same curling motion. By the way, today I'm using a 1-inch curling iron, but you can use a bigger one depending on your hair length. Now, once we make it to the next side, we have to adjust the way we hold the curling iron opposite to what we did the other side. I find it's easier to hold the curling iron upside down when I switch to my right side, but you can do it either way, whichever one is easier for you to do. Also, just wanted to mention that I don't like to hold the curling iron too close to my scalp since I want to have the curls closer to the bottom of my hair. This will help create the body and shape that I like. For reference, I have my curling iron set to the lowest heat setting to prevent me from damaging my hair. It's a good way to start, and if you feel like your hair needs more heat, you could always adjust the temperature later. Remember to only hold the iron on your hair for about a few seconds, no more than 10 seconds. This will help prevent any heat damage to your hair. Another tip is to definitely practice curling your hair before planning to do it for any special occasion. Always a good idea to practice and perfect your technique so you have a go-to hairstyle that you can use anytime. This will also help you save a trip to the hair salon, and who doesn't love to save time and money? Now I finally made it to the last layer. Now the top layer can be a little tricky, but I still try to curl my hair away from my face. Once I'm done curling my hair, I like to gently run my fingers through it to loosen the curls. Then, to smooth out my hair, I like to brush it out using a cushion paddle brush. Try to brush your hair very gently on the top and also underneath. Sometimes I like to also use a finger brush to help loosen up the curls a little bit faster. After brushing out your curls, you can run your fingers through your hair and help your curls loosen up a little bit more. And there you have it. This is how I curl my hair using a 1-inch curling iron. I hope this was super helpful, and I will put all the products mentioned in this video in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you'd love to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video for you, and I'll see you all next time.